Hey guys, it's me Tori, and I'm trying to be quiet because I've been hearing some strange noises. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but do you guys hear this? So terrified right now. It's coming that way. I'm just terrified right now. Bye. And if you didn't know, did not know, that was a skit.